Hey everyone! Welcome back! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a wireless transmitter and receiver using the ESP-NOW protocol. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest content. ESP-NOW is a wireless protocol for ESP8266/ESP32 microcontrollers, enabling low power, low latency. First, place the ESP32 on the breadboard. Here's the circuit diagram. We'll connect everything according to this schematic. Next up, let's get into the coding for the transmitter. To begin, we need the MAC address of the receiver ESP32. Head over to my GitHub, grab the code, and upload it to your receiver ESP32. Once it's uploaded, open the serial monitor to find the MAC address. Make sure to save it somewhere safe. Now, let's get the transmitter code from my GitHub. Paste it into the Arduino IDE, and insert the receiver's MAC address into the designated spot. This step is crucial because it tells the transmitter exactly which device to communicate with. The code defines a structure called LED packet data that stores the states of 4 switches, each represented by a byte. We set the pins connected to the switches as inputs, using internal pull-up resistors. Then, we read the state of each switch, connected to pins 15, 5, 21, and 23, and invert it, as the inputs are in pull-up mode, high when not pressed. Now, let's move on to building the receiver on another breadboard. Place the ESP32 on the breadboard. Connect the 3.3V pin to the breadboard's positive rail, and ground to the negative rail. Here's the circuit diagram for the receiver. Connect all components according to this diagram. For the receiver's code, grab it from my GitHub, paste it into the Arduino IDE, and upload it. The code defines a structure named packet data to hold the states for the 4 switches. We then assign these states to the GPIO pins connected to the LED. This function writes the values stored in receiver data to the respective LED, controlling whether each LED is on or off. Now, select the correct board and upload the code. Everything is set up. Let's power the receiver with a lithium-ion battery and the transmitter via the micro USB port. Now, let's test it out. I'm controlling the LED on the receiver side by pressing the push buttons on the transmitter. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. See you in the next one.